Welcome back to Grace Meets Globe. Today, I'm sharing the best travel essentials and gear you need this year. After being on over 100 flights and over 35 countries, trust me, this will save you. Check out description for product recommendations on Amazon. Let's get started. First up, we gotta talk about luggage. Not just any luggage, though. We're talking about smart luggage. Your luggage should be as bright as your phone. I'm talking built-in GPS trackers so you always know where your bags are. No more stressing at baggage claim, wondering if your stuff made it. You can literally track it on your phone in real time. And of course, TSA-approved locks to keep everything safe and secure. Smart luggage is a game changer, guys. Next up is a lifesaver, especially for those long travel days. We're talking about a power bank, but not just any power bank. You need one that's compact, lightweight, and packs a serious punch. We're talking enough juice to keep your phone, your headphones, your camera, everything charged up and ready to go. Get yourself a reliable power bank, throw it in your carry-on, and never worry about your battery life again. All right, let's talk toiletries. I used to stuff a million little bottles into a plastic baggie. Disaster. Then I discovered silicone travel tubes, game changer. TSA compliant, leak proof, and different sizes for all your products. Shampoo, conditioner, lotion, sunscreen. Put it in these tubes. Ditch the bulky bottles. Switch to silicone travel tubes. 4. The Toiletry Bag Upgrade. Now, you can't have all those amazing silicone travel tubes without a proper toiletry bag to put them in, right? Look for one with multiple compartments, clear pockets so you can see everything, and a hook so you can hang it up in the bathroom. 5. Track your luggage. Like a boss. Remember that smart luggage we talked about earlier? Well, even if you haven't made the upgrade yet, you can still track your luggage like a pro with AirTags. You just slip one into your suitcase, and you can track its location on your phone anywhere in the world. No more lost luggage nightmares. No more wondering if your bag made it on the plane. AirTags give you peace of mind, knowing exactly where your belongings are at all times. 6. Stay hydrated. Stay sustainable. Staying hydrated while you travel is so important, but buying plastic water bottles is bad for the environment and your wallet. The solution? A reusable water bottle with a built-in filter. You can fill it up anywhere. Airports, hotels, even those questionable water fountains. And the filter will make sure your water is safe and clean to drink. Invest in a good reusable water bottle. Your body and the planet will thank you. 7. Silence the noise. Let's be real. Traveling can be chaotic. Noisy airports, crying babies on the plane, traffic outside your hotel window. That's where noise-canceling headphones come in. These are a lifesaver for blocking out distractions and creating your own little oasis of peace and quiet. Trust me, once you go noise-canceling, you'll never go back. 8. One adapter to rule them all. If you're traveling internationally, you know the struggle of dealing with different plug adapters. But fear not, my friends, because a universal travel adapter is here to save the day. It has multiple plug configurations, so you can charge your devices in over 150 countries. No more carrying around a separate adapter for every country you visit. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly convenient, a universal travel adapter is a no-brainer. 9. Outsmart the pickpockets. All right, let's talk about safety for a second. When you're traveling, especially in crowded areas, it's important to be mindful of your belongings. That's where an anti-theft sling bag comes in. They have hidden zippers, slash-resistant straps, and RFID blocking technology to protect your valuables from electronic theft. Don't be an easy target. Outsmart the pickpockets with an anti-theft sling bag. 10. Stay cozy. On the go. Airplanes, airports, and even some hotels can get chilly. That's why I always pack a lightweight travel blanket. A little bit of warmth and comfort can go a long way when you're traveling. 11. Compression socks. Long flights can be tough on your circulation. That's why I swear by compression socks. Compression socks help to improve blood flow and reduce swelling in your legs and feet, which is especially important when you're sitting for long periods. They can also help to prevent deep vein thrombosis, a serious condition that can occur after prolonged sitting. So, ditch the vanity and pack a pair of compression socks for your next long-haul flight. 12. Packing cubes. The secret to organized luggage. If you're tired of living out of a suitcase that looks like a bomb went off inside, then you need packing cubes in your life. These things are a game changer for keeping your luggage organized. They compress your clothes so you can fit more in your suitcase, and they make it so easy to find what you're looking for without unpacking your entire bag. Packing cubes are the key to stress-free packing and unpacking. 13. Be prepared for anything. Nobody wants to think about things going wrong on their trip, but it's always better to be prepared. That's why travel insurance is a must. Whether you get sick, your flight gets canceled, or your luggage gets lost, travel insurance can help cover the costs and minimize the stress of unexpected events. It's better to be safe than sorry. 14. Stay connected. Wherever you go. Staying connected while traveling can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be. An eSIM or international SIM card is a great way to stay connected affordably. Both offer affordable data plans and calling rates, so you can stay connected and share your adventures. It's a small investment that can save you money and hassle. 15. Travel backpack. No travel essentials list is complete without a good travel backpack. Look for one with multiple compartments, padded straps, and breathable material. Choose one that fits your style and needs. Check the description for my recommendation on Amazon. So there you have it, folks. Those are my must-have travel items to transform your trip. From smart luggage and power banks to packing cubes and travel blankets, these essentials keep you organized, comfortable, and connected. With the right gear, you can focus on experiencing new cultures and making memories. Now go pack your bags and get out there. Check the description for links to products on Amazon. Subscribe for more travel tips.